we're back. It's been a long time. We went through Mount Gambier, and what did we see at Mount Gambier? We saw the sinkhole.
Yes, the
sinkhole and the caves. Oh, we didn't go see them, we just drove past. And then we drove down to Beachport in South Australia and camped there for the night. The next day we did it's a famous four-wheel drive track, but we only did like the start of it. It's from Beachport to Robe, but we did Beachport to Nora Creina, and then from Nora Creina, it's just Josh playing with lights. Yeah, put it on. Oh, that actually looks better. Much brighter. Where did we go after?
And then we went to Port Augusta.
No, we didn't.
Diary.
We're a little confused at where we went. We can't even remember. I could look it up, but we've got no Wi-Fi. No, we went to... Can you see the sunset behind me? And it's a full moon tonight. We left Nora Creina. We went up to Adelaide. We stayed in Adelaide for the night, and Illuminate was on. Illuminate Adelaide, which was really fun. We then went from Adelaide and did some wineries around there. Then we went up to Port Augusta. We just drove through that though, we didn't stop there. Went down, stayed at Gibbons Point, which was cliff camping, amazing, and then went to Coffin Bay, which is where you saw all the emus. Amazing, both beautiful. Unfortunately, we got bad weather again, so we went back to Port Augusta, Josh's favourite place. I don't know why you keep saying it. Went back to Port Augusta and then beelined up to Alice Springs. So we're currently in the Northern Territory.
In Port Augusta? No, we went to Coober Pedy and then to...
We stopped in Coober Pedy for one night.
And then
Then we went to Uluru. We didn't go to Alice Springs. We went to Uluru. And then we went to Kings Canyon. But enjoy the rest of South Australia and you'll see what happened in Kings Canyon after this. It's just getting better behind me. Wow. So nice. We pulled up at Kings Canyon and realised that we could smell burning rubber. And so we looked, well, Josh looked at the tyres, and you'll see in this clip here that they were rubbing on something for I don't even know how long. And yeah, our 2 front tyres got down to the metal. So we got to Kings Canyon and realised we couldn't keep driving because our tyres were literally about to blow. And we had 1 spare. Yeah, once we realised we couldn't really drive, we only had 1 spare and 2 bung tyres. We couldn't get a tyre anywhere near Kings Canyon because it was even more remote than Uluru was. It was in the middle of nowhere. I'll try put a map up or something on this video to show you. And then we tried to call a tow truck to tow our car, and the cheapest one was $2,600, so that wasn't an option. So yeah, we ended up, well, not we, Josh ended up doing 5 tyre changes. We got our spare off, put that on the worst side, took our 2 bung ones off, and then moved our better bung one to the back and swapped it all around. It was a bit of a nightmare. And decided to, yeah, try to get to Alice Springs, which was about 4-hour drive, 4.5 hours to Alice Springs. And once we got there, we ended up getting new tyres and we got a service done. And yeah, something was wrong with our wheel alignment. They almost blew up. But anyway, it's all fixed. We're back on the road. We've done the Red Centre, so we're now heading towards Darwin from Alice Springs, stopping at a lot of places along the way. But that will be next week's video. Enjoy.